what really a promise was made for is when you are making a call to some remote data. I use it all the time for Firebase. Here's a simple call to an API that is a stock program that returns information related to stock ticker symbols. I'm passing in Google right here. And so I have my promise variable again. Let me just uncomment this so we can kind of see this play out. And I have a simple AJAX call. And by the way, all this code will be shared with you. We call our remote website. We're going to do an onload request. And so 200 represents if it was successfully returned data. And so that's what we're testing for. And then we give our resolve that response, which is that data from this get call. Otherwise, reject is called. And so there's just a few more. This is actually where we send for that data. And then here we have the promise.then, and we will display to the document that data. So let me save that and let's see. Yep, worked successfully. This is data related to Google, stock ticker price, volume, market cap, all that kind of stuff. So the whole promise, resolve, reject scenario is really made for asynchronous calls to remote APIs. The promise waits until the data is either successfully returned or there is an error. Successfully returned, you can call the resolve part. If there's an error, you call the reject. And the waiting really happens with the then. This right here, this area is waiting to see if the promise was fulfilled or an error occurred and the promise is unfulfilled.